Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are 5 of the most common options. Insurance coverage. If you have homeowners insurance, you might be able to use your policy to cover the cost of a new roof. Roofing company payment plans. FHA Title I Home and Property Improvement Loan. Home Equity Loan. Personal Loan.
Make your mark, take our lead.
7 payment methods for your new roof project. Cash or check. Easiest method. Paying all at once with cold hard cash is certainly the easiest and simplest way to get the job done. Credit card. Personal loan. Home equity loan. Insurance coverage. Roof company financing. Government-funded home improvement loan.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you are looking for the cheapest roofing material, you should consider asphalt shingles. They are great because they are a very durable material and they also look nice. This is definitely not the cheapest roofing material to construct or to keep up, but it's eco-friendly.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you are going to be replacing your roof yourself, you can obtain the permit. However, if you will secure the services of a roofing contractor to remove the current roof and install a new one, the contractor will need to obtain the permit. Keep in mind, though, only a licensed contractor can apply for a permit.
Take our lead.
If you're looking to re-roof your home, there may be roof grants available offered by the government to replace a roof with a new one or to undertake extensive and expensive repairs, but the criteria are limited. Mostly the new roof grants are only available to people who are in a vulnerable position.
Let's help you make your mark.
The average cost to replace a roof can vary quite a bit. According to HomeAdvisor, the typical range for roof replacement costs is between $5,100 and $10,000, but roof replacement can be as low as $1,200 or as high as $30,000. Many roofing companies will charge between $3.50 and $5 per square foot.
Take our lead.
Tile and asphalt are the most used materials for roofing, and they're manufactured with the usage of concrete, clay or oil. The rise of oil prices can directly impact asphalt shingles to become more costly. Furthermore, the cost of disposing old and damaged materials has also increased in the recent years.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can often determine a roof's age by the granules left on top of its asphalt shingles. A shingle's granules protect the waterproofing asphalt from the sun's UV rays. As shingles age, the asphalt dries out. This causes shingles to lose granules.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A roof repair will likely fit that description. These types of loans are available through FHA-approved lenders. To qualify, you'll need a debt-to-income ratio that doesn't exceed 45%, and loans that exceed $7,500 have to be secured by a deed of trust or your mortgage.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to get insurance to pay for your roof replacement in 2021. Your agent, If you have a good relationship with the person and trust them, they should be able to honestly and clearly explain your coverage. That's their job. A roofing contractor with good experience dealing with insurance claims. Call 2 or 3 pros, tell them your issue, and ask for some advice.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can always negotiate with your contractor on the price of a successful project before signing a contract. Discuss your budget with your roofing contractor. Agree that any unexpected project expenses will be presented in writing to help you remain within your budget.
Take our lead.
Usually the time period for a full roof replacement is between 2 and 3 days. However, it can usually be done in under a week as long as there are no serious weather incidents or the need for major repairs. The majority of professional roofers work during the week, when most people are at school and work.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.